Everyone that Echidna sleeps? Jesus. Oh my god. Is it cloudy? Is it? Jesus Christ. God. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. Chimney. Nonsense. Sonic.
Ha! Mr. Bean, you're so funny. Do, 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 do. What the? Oh my god. Locals, it's cloudy. It's thunderstorm, lightning, the wind. Oh my god! Someone trying to break in. God, what was that noise? Don't worry, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I could beat everybody. Wait, no, that's the wind. What was that big thunderstorm? Oh my god. God. Knuckles, what's going on? Why is it very windy?
I don't know. I just woke up and like I was saying like, can anyone make a kid not sleeps because someone disturbed me?
Stupid wind.
Can you talk to Jesus for no windstorms?
But I don't know how to do that. But I gotta pray.
Oh, never mind. I like thunderstorms.
Yeah, kind of me too. But not. Oh my god! I feel the glass when I was looking in the window. It was moving. The door keeps moving everywhere. And I thought as a robbery gonna kidnap us or destroy our YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe that video. Like this video. Don't you freaking. Anyways, that's very, very scary. Let's talk to everybody. Phew. Okay, today with me, I went to park. Oh my god, again? Every single time we're going to the park, rains. Hooba jooba. Sonic, I'm sorry, but we cannot go. It's raining outside. Sorry, wait, Sonic? God, okay. That was scary. It's rain. Oh, check the other video from Sonic Show. It's raining outside, raining tacos. It's from season 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you guys subscribe to this video? I can't press it. Doesn't let me. Stupid gloves. I need your help to press the subscribe button. You do that for me? 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. Before we look, subscribe! Jesus Christ. God. Sonic! I can't believe because we can't. What are you doing? Whoa, that was big, stormy outside. How am I gonna stop it?
Well, you know, you have to just go use your. Shut up! Dumb wind. Anyways, go use your force, like use your gravity thing, so you can like no rain stuff, like just move the clouds and nothing.
But the clouds, they're just made of water. I cannot do that. I cannot control water with my hands. Idiot Knuckles. Well, guess we had to go in raining days. We had to do raining days. God.
Sonic, I never had a Nintendo 3DS. Remember that?
Oh yeah, guys, go check out the other Sonic Shoshu video. We cool. Just put Sonic Shoshu Serrano and just go check that video right now. Please subscribe. We need subscribers. It's almost my birthday, and I only want for my birthday is subscribe. I want 100 subscribers. Okay, I really want subscribers. Do you want to play Super Smash Bros, guys?
I want to play Super Smash Bros.
Okay, I need a freaking thunderstorm bothering me. Anyways, pick your character.
Get away, butt face. Okay, let's see here. Let's be. Okay, let's see here. Thinking. God's raining. Okay, so let's see here. Where's me? Why am I in the game?
Because nobody doesn't like you, Knuckles. No one. Nobody doesn't like you.
Get the hell out of my face. I'm just gonna be someone looks just like me. What about I can be about this one?
Oh my mamacita. That's a sexy mama. Dang. Jesus. That's a sexy lady. I want her. I want her to be my wife. Dang, she's hot, smoking.
Hey, I'm supposed to play game, not you.
Are hoping this so-called Saharan air layer will buy us some time. It already stretches from North Africa to Puerto Rico, and there are no major
Guys hearing this?
storms in the pipeline, at least not yet.
What? Silver, what are you doing? I'm just checking the news, like why is it raining? So it's gonna be sandy outside. That sandstorm, like today. Like I checked in the news in my phone, so I have to you check what kind of rain is it? So sand. Do not go outside. You're gonna hurt your eyesight. You're gonna be doped up. Did you just say the beeping sound? Yes, I don't want to cuss.
Alright guys, I'm playing some Super Smash Bros. Could you why I'm playing Super Smash Bros on Sonic's channel? Because go check out my video. It says like just put Sonic Shows just right now. You'll find all this videos right now. Take that. Yeah, you can. Oh, like this. Oh, ow, ow, you little. What was that? Ow, ow, ow. You can. Oh God! Oh, Golly! Mommy! Oh, I'm gonna pause this real. Let's get this over with. Okay, go. Oh. Oh! I won. Okay. That's enough flying to me. Silver. Stop!
Morning, everyone. At 13 First Alert Meteorologist Sam Brown. It's pretty quiet across Las Vegas this morning. We're not seeing any rain. Got a few clouds passing by. Overall, that sun is shining, and that is going to warm us up a little bit once again this afternoon. The temperatures even right now are pushing 90 degrees here in town. You can see 83 though, Anthem. So hey, not too bad down to the south. 89 officially in Las Vegas. That's after Karen. 84 Pahrump. Moving on to the temperature at 90. Colorado River. Dew point still in the 60s. So humidity level pretty high. Plenty of moisture to work with today. So spring
Achoo! Shut up!
I don't think we're going to have as strong storms like we did yesterday in town today, but we could see some rainfall here and there, especially over the mountains. Now, take a look at the monsoon tracker. Got the greens around Las Vegas still, but then the blues kind of take over by tomorrow. They start to dry out tonight, so it looks like tomorrow, very slight chance of rain across Las Vegas, better chances to be in the mountains still. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we really dry out. Seeing how the Browns are starting to kind of move in the map. The monsoon is going to take a break this week as it sits back to our south in Arizona. Even into the weekend, it's looking relatively dry. That's because high pressure is going to be right on top of us. High pressure is sinking air. We need rising air to get some thunderstorms, so just not a great chance of that throughout the week. Take a look at futurecast. Some showers could push through this morning across areas to our south. That's because of big clusters of storms are back in Arizona right now, but not in Las Vegas. We'll probably be dry. We'll just see some clouds push through as that moves to our south. Maybe some afternoon thunderstorms today and tomorrow. Then look what happens Monday. Relatively dry. Got the green out there, but futurecast doesn't handle 2 days out very well, so that's why. Still sticky air around today, but then we'll be drying out a little bit. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we may actually be in that pleasant category for dew points later on this week. As some people will be watching, which would be good because it's been very, very sticky across Las Vegas recently. Highs today 105 overnight tonight, dropping down to 86 degrees. Mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies, depending on what time of day it is. I think the afternoon we'll see a few more clouds than this morning for sure. 104 North Las Vegas today, 100 Summerlin overnight lows, very mild once again as you wake up tomorrow morning. Finish off your weekend at 106 in Las Vegas, mostly sunny, and then a lot of sunshine throughout the weekend. Temperatures, they spike. We're talking 10 degrees warmer possibly by Wednesday and today. The warmest of the year Rain so far, 113, Leslie. Yeah, we have 114.
Silver, no, turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. Turn it off. That was spooky because Hooba Dooba is outside right now. Very terrifying. I'm getting weight right now. Never mind. I don't know what that mean. Silver, what is wrong with you with these news? Jesus. Well, it's important, like watching news to see what happens. Like, what was that? Like a tornado? There's no such thing as tornadoes in Las Vegas. So, what happens? There is one. There is no such thing. Stop watching YouTube so much. We're on YouTube, idiot. We have 50 subscribers. Before you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to subscribe that video. Shut up! Subscribe. Like the video. Comment down below which video we should make. Anything. Get back to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you guys want to do today on raining day? It's raining. I like when it's raining day. Yeah, I think we should smell Sonic's butt. What? Nothing. Well, you guys should go to sleep. Okay. Oh, the clouds are coming. Oh my god, this thing, same over again. It's been a while I smelled Sonic's butt. It's been a while I said the clouds are coming. Okay, we gotta do something in rainy days because how long is the rainy days gonna be? I'm trying to find out, Sonic. It's so hard to find it. What are you doing? I'm just laying down. Jesus Christ! So we're the only ones here. Me, you, and Knuckles, because Tails, Shadow, they're in a Beyblade video right now. We're just here alone. I'm joining with you too. So, guys wanna watch TV? I wish I had a wife. What? Nothing. I feel lonely right now. Like, just doing nothing. You like Amy! What? No, not that. No, I do not like Amy. That's a little weird. Why? Did he read my mind or something? I kind of do like Amy. She's kind of a little crazy and stuff about me, but she's a little cute. I do not like Amy. No thanks. You know what? Never mind. I don't want Amy. She's a little creepy. She makes me nightmares every week. Oh well. This is a 13-minute video. Oh my god, we gotta do something very quick. I feel tired, guys. Let's just go to sleep when the rain stops. Go, Valdrick! No, Valdrick's broken! Valdrick! What?
I just came from the pet store because I escaped. A couple days ago, I was a teenager and I was a kid and then now I'm a grown up. No,
Valdrix?
what's wrong?
Valdrix? What happened to you?
I do like
Oh, no, Valdrix! Valdrix! Huh? Why is it a normal Valdrix? Here's a note back. Dear Sonic, this is from the end to the end. I unpaint your Beyblade back. I keep the bottom, keep the metal part, and so I make your Beyblade powerful, so you be the champion. Good luck, Sonic. Enjoy your Beyblade video. God. Sonic, the rain stopped. The storm is actually gone, Sonic. Oh, actually, cool. Let's go play some outside. Let's play some outside, Silver. What about me? Sure, Knuckles. Let's go. Chaos Control.